UNICH Airdrop just had a major update and most people are doing it wrong or wasting time. In this video, I will show you the latest update, what actually matters and what you should stop doing immediately. If you are farming this airdrop or you are planning to start, this update affect your eligibility and potential allocation. So watch till the end. So what matters? What really changed? Is there any deadline or snapshot? What is the common mistake? We are going to find out. So let's go to their Twitter handle and look at their latest updates. So UNICH made this update 2 hours ago and they said the Freedom Farm, the moment has come. After a long journey of being with UNICH and accumulating Freedom Points, that's FD, today is the day you receive news that we are confident will excite you. All the FD you have mined will officially be converted into Freedom Coin. That is the FC, the native coin of UNICH network. Look at what they said here. FD point mining will continue until February 2026, and when the UNICH network officially launches, FD will be converted to FC at the rate of 100:1. So it is now clear that what will determine your allocation is your FD point, and that FD point will be converted to FC at the rate of 100:1. Now they said this means that every 100 FD points you have accumulated today will become 1 FC. So look at what they said here. This means that every FD you have accumulated today will become 1 FC. So if you have 100 FD, it's going to give you 1 FC. Now, any asset of higher value directly tied to the long-term potential of UNICH network. In the meantime, continue taking advantage of the opportunity to accumulate FD and get ready for the promising benefits. So now we have a focus. It is now clear that our FD point is going to be converted to FC, and they say that 100 FD points is giving you 1 FC. So how many FD points you have will determine your allocation. They still went ahead to say that every meaningful interaction on UNICH network rewards you with FC, the native coin of the ecosystem. FC gives you access to the blockchain world, turning your time and effort into real financial value. UNICH network uses 40% of the profit from the social layer to buy back FC, strengthening the token and creating suitable value for the community. This means the value you hold will be protected and grow alongside the ecosystem. They went further to say that UNICH network encourages you to take control of your own life, exploring new opportunities and break through the limits that once held you back. FC is the key that allows you to experience the freedom you deserve, both spiritually and financially. So, what do you think? Now the question is, what will be the price of 1 FC? 600 FD point is giving us just 1 FC. What will be the value of that FC? That is where the main issue lies. So how many FD points do you have? I have 12,468, and they said that this FD is 100 FD points is going to give us 1 FC. Now that I have 12,000 divided by 100, I'm just going to receive 120, and this 120 will be giving me the FC. So what is the value of that FC? That is where the problem lies now. So guys, how many FD points do you have? Tell me in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you.